A rainy day at the beach. Today, Peppa and her family are going to the beach. Everyone is excited to build sandcastles. Peppa Pig family has arrived. The beach weather is beautiful today. Peppa and George start building a big sandcastle.
Yeah!
The daddy pig is starting to swim.
Whoa!
Peppa and George excitedly ran down with Daddy Pig. But suddenly, the sky grows darker. Black clouds and a rainstorm came. Oh dear, the rain starts pouring down. The family quickly rushes to pack up and head to the car. Inside the car, they are safe and dry, listening to the raindrops tapping on the roof. Peppa learns that even if the rain stops their play, being together makes the day special and fun. Peppa learns to count. It is a sunny morning. Peppa and George are playing with a ball in the garden. Daddy Pig is sitting on a chair, reading the newspaper. Oh dear! The ball rolls away and into the vegetable garden. Peppa and George run to find the ball. But wait! There are so many fresh orange carrots! There's a way to find out how many carrots there are by counting them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Wonderful! There are 5 carrots in total. Rebecca Rabbit comes hopping by. She is very happy to see the carrots.
Wow! Wow!
Today, Peppa and George learned how to count. When you learn something new, it can be fun, and it makes you clever every day. A day of house cleaning. Today, Peppa and George's living room is very messy. It's time to clean up. Peppa and George decide to work together. Each one has a job to do to make the room tidy again. It's fun to work as a team. Peppa organizes the books, while George packs the toys away. Not only do they clean up the toys, Peppa and George also wipe the table and sweep the floor. The room is looking brighter already. Wonderful! Working together makes everything neat and tidy. Housework isn't hard when everyone helps. Can you tidy up your own room too? It's a beautiful sunny day. Peppa and George are going to the park with Mummy and Daddy Pig.
Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Whoa!
Look, there are so many colorful balloons. balloons on the grass in all shapes and sizes. Peppa finds a round red balloon. Red, just like Peppa's dress.
Wow!
George spots a blue oval balloon. Blue, just like the clear sky above. Oh, here's a bright yellow star-shaped balloon. Yellow shines like the morning sun. The balloons float away. But Peppa and George have learned so much about colors and shapes today. Colors are everywhere. Can you spot red, yellow, and